Now talking to Captain Tompkins, who is Chief Pilot A220 at Air Canada. Thank you for talking with me, sir.
Hi, everybody out there. I'm a Airbus A220 pilot here at Air Canada. Prior to that, I was an Embraer 190 pilot, which this airplane is a replacement for in our fleet. The airplane is quite sophisticated. It's the first sort of clean sheet design we've seen in a while. It's a very nice airplane in terms of the flight deck, switches, and methodology, which is generally, it's a neutral position, dark cockpit, which helps the pilot's situational awareness. Things like our modern screens here are very nice. The pilots have the ability to select any bit of information they would like on those screens. We have dual heads-up displays, which we can look right through. It's basically similar to military plane technology, where there's a green symbology overlaid on our visual picture outside the aircraft. So this allows us in low visibility operations to have a very good situational awareness tool, because we're only having to look through one piece of glass. The airplane's quite sophisticated with its flight controls. It's got a great fly-by-wire system connected to our side sticks. The nice thing for the side sticks is we have a little more room to eat our lunch up here, and it gives us a little cleaner view of the cockpit instrumentation. We're getting 45 of these airplanes, so I can tell you our pilots at Air Canada are quite excited to get qualified on this airplane. I myself qualified in December, and I've been at Air Canada for 13 years.
How does this airplane fly, so to speak, compared to what you've seen before or what you've experienced before?
It flies really nice. It's very intuitive. The side stick and the flight control computers that basically are integrated into it are very intuitive for the pilot, so it flies really nice. Crosswinds in this thing, and engine failure, V1 engine failures are a dream. It's a simple rudder push and the airplane rotates off. It's a really, really nice handling airplane. It gets in and out of shorter runways. It's nice and efficient up high. The wing is amazing.
And compared to, let's say, side stick on an Airbus, any noticeable difference?
Not really. There's some different control laws from one to the other, but there's not really much difference. The side stick here is very, very intuitive. We have it trimmed for airspeed, so it's easy to rotate the airplane. It's nicely weighted, so you don't feel like you're wrestling the airplane. Some airplanes, it feels a little bit like a wrestling match. This one does not. It flies very nice.
And it's quieter up here than the previous generation?
Very quiet, yeah. Actually, it's quite nice. Sometimes you get a little bit of windscreen noise, but it's otherwise a very quiet and very comfortable flight deck. There's a lot of space, as you can see, and it's very clean for us in terms of the work environment. We have great access to all the information we need. The FMS is very intuitive for programming, so that's nice for the pilots when they go through their qualification training.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.